Good morning and namaste from Almaty, a beautiful city in Kazakhstan. आज है 30 दिसंबर 2023 और टाइम हो रहा है सुबह के 8:05 एंड आई एम इन दिस विंटर वंडरलैंड एज यू कैन सी बिहाइंड मी. सो ये है हमारी बालकनी से सीन होटल की and this is how it looks. It was snowing for almost the entire night yesterday, and this is straight from my balcony. That is my room. And meanwhile, let's put the drone in the air and show you some scenes around. Alright, so बार हो रही थी बहुत ठंड. That's why I'm back to the room to explain you today's plan, जो कि है बहुत simple. We are going to a half-day trip to Big Almaty Lake. It's like a natural lake जो कि पूरे Almaty city की water supply है, and it's created by seismic activities thousands of years back. का view काफी amazing आता है वहाँ से. So this is today's plan, and now let's go and start the day. So we are going to the Big Almaty Lake, and usually this time पे road सारी बंद हो जाती है Big Almaty Lake के लिए, but I managed to find a guide who is taking us there, starting the trek to Big Almaty Lake. इसको बाव भी बोलते हैं. So weather is around 8.5 degrees Celsius and it looks surreal. Let's take a look around. So यहाँ तक आप अपनी कार ला सकते हैं, I think, and इसके बाद we gonna be transferred to a special car which is allowed up there. Otherwise you can also trek, but it can take up to 3 to 4 hours, I think, to reach to Big Almaty Lake. So we're gonna be transferred to a special car, and then we're gonna be reaching up there. So this is kind of a special car जिसमें we gonna be going to the lake. As you can see, it has special wheels and it has chains up here.
Леш, я им сказал, что минут 20 они на озере будут.
It's fun. So guys, we have reached Big Almaty Lake, and as you can see, it's completely frozen. Temperature is minus 10 degrees Celsius and it's a winter wonderland. Just take a look around. Beautiful landscape. This is actually the Big Almaty Lake. Over here, it's frozen, completely frozen. It's between these mountain ranges, so this is like a valley. The colors are really beautiful at this moment, even it's overcast winter, but I'm loving the view here. So because of sun, ज़्यादा ठंड नहीं लग रही है, but it's really fun. It's beautiful. You can check this out. Fresh snow from last night. Now let's try and put drone in the air and see if we can get some beautiful shots. So much fun. If you're coming to Almaty in winters, don't miss this beautiful landscape and take a short trek to Big Almaty Lake. And roads are closed as I mentioned, so I'll share the number to my guide who can take you up there.
Oh, the pipeline. Yeah, pipeline. So the water from the lake also used to rotating turbines on this hydropower station, this yellow building, because it have huge energy coming from.
Alright, so we are back to the hotel, finishing the Big Almaty Lake. काफी मजा आया winter trek करने का Almaty में and to witness the Big Almaty Lake. So there are a couple of learnings I wanted to share with you. First of all, winter में it can be थोड़ा सा underwhelming क्योंकि Big Almaty Lake was completely frozen. But the guide told us that's how it is. But best time to come here is in October, जहाँ पे काफी सारे falls colors visible होते हैं. Photos बहुत अच्छी आती हैं. And I've also seen some photos of that fall season. So yeah, बाकी ट्रैक की अगर बात करूँ, so it was not a big trek क्योंकि हमने गाइड किया था. They took us directly to the Big Almaty Lake, special cars में which I showed already. And हमें बस वापसी आते हुए थोड़ा ट्रैक करना पड़ा था around 500 meters, 800 meters का, which we really wanted, which we really enjoyed क्योंकि पूरा snow में था. So if you want to do that, this is a good thing. And the views were surreal. The landscape was amazing. बहुत अच्छी photos आई हैं, बहुत अच्छे drone shots आए हैं. So yeah, I would say overall it was worth it. So around $80 का पड़ा per person, which in my opinion was totally worth it because we really enjoyed the trek. But couple of learnings. Make sure if you are going for this day trip or trek, you should have winter contact trekking shoes जो हमने खरीदे थे Decathlon से in India. यहाँ पे इंडिया वाला हिसाब किताब नहीं होता. जैसे मनाली में आप जाते हो तो पहले यू कैन रेंट द गियर. यहाँ पे रेंटिंग की कोई शॉप्स नहीं है. इवन हमारे गाइड ने भी हमें नहीं मेंशन किया था कि यू शुड हैव दीज शूज. सो आई थिंक ये अंडरस्टैंडेबल है. इफ यू आर कमिंग हियर यू शुड बी प्रेप्ड. एंड आई मेक अ वीडियो ऑन व्हाट थिंग्स टू यू कैन ब्रिंग टू Almaty during winters. So make sure you have snow contact trekking shoes. Make sure you also have waterproof jackets. नहीं तो जैसे ही आप स्नो में खेलोगे कूदोगे आपकी कपड़े गीले हो सकते हैं. So you should have water repellent or water proof jacket. Fortunately, we had this, and we had a really amazing time up there. Second thing is हमें ज़्यादा time spend करने को नहीं मिला बिगल माटी लेक में. हम वहाँ पहुँचे and all we got was 25-30 minutes to click photos and to fly my drone, जो कि थोड़ा कम था, but that is what it is. As I mentioned, roads सारी बंद थी, and this was the special trip that our guide arranged for us. So if you want to spend more time in Big Almaty Lake, make sure आप guide से पहले ही बात कर लेना. Unlike us, I think it was a pretty worthy experience. $75 per head. जिसमें included the English speaking guide, जिसमें included the special vehicle with the snow tires and chains which can take us to there. वो ride भी बहुत amazing थी, and the landscape shots were amazing. So yeah, overall I would give it 4 out of 5 stars for the Big Almaty Lake day trip. And with that, let's conclude today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something new. And if you're coming to Almaty in winter, so make sure you do this special day trip to Big Almaty Lake. It's not really a day trip, half day trip. So once you're back, you can go to other places. So now we are going to local malls and see some local culture, eat some local food. But that's gonna be for another video. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one. So stay tuned.